lit.
Too lit. Hey man, shit. Gang.
Real one, I come from the south. Yeah, bitch, I'm country and proud. I know you hear when we smoke. Yeah, bitch, we blowing that loud. Counting up money right now. I had to grind this shit out. I wrote this verse from the heart. Ay, I shine like the light in the dark. I paint a picture like here's my art. Up there with spirits, I light it and spark. You know how I am, the one. Fuck all the haters, I stick to my gun. See my name and lights on the one you can't shun. Don't front on me, don't stun on me. Back killing shows. Me and Tim OG, yeah, can't you see? Been a motherfucking dog since Mitchery. UTC got memories. New ill on the block, you remember me. Open arms, the head welcome me. They treat a young nigga just like family. Shout out my big bro Cardi. Him and Darnell went ham on beats, no lie. I had made it from scratch. Ay, I jog my memory back. Ay, you know that my flag is all black. Ay, you know that my heart is all black. Ay, you know I'm a king in this rap. Ay, Timmy a king in this rap. Ay, salute all my dogs as a fake. Ay, we don't give a fuck about no haters. Ay, we all stay solid, no traitors. Ay, try me your cheese, get graded. Ay, none of my gold is plated. Ay, fresh as some your tailors. Ay, they treated me just like the mayor. Yeah, I'm putting up numbers and they wonder why. Yeah, cause I'm a true player. You hating, you plotting, yeah, you what you hater. My heart is so cold like a glacier. Telling my nieces and nephews, that I did it major. Yeah, to my family I cater. Yeah, hip hop saying, my flow is the savior. What the fuck is they saying? Lead.
Too lit.
Spin the wheel, my nigga. Ay, get money and chill, my nigga. Just what it is, my nigga. Ay, create and build it with you.